For years, the James Webb Space Telescope has represented the pinnacle of space astronomy. Its enormous 6.5 meters segmented mirror and extraordinary infrared sensitivity have allowed humanity to peer farther into the universe than ever before, revealing some of the earliest galaxies, probing the atmospheres of distant exoplanets and uncovering details hidden from every telescope that came before it. It gave the impression that we had finally built the ultimate eye in space. But NASA's next great observatory is not attempting to surpass Webb by seeing deeper into a single target. Instead, it is changing the way astronomy studies the universe altogether. The Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope has been designed with a completely different philosophy. While its primary mirror is 2.4 meters across, similar in size to Hubble's, it possesses an enormous wide-field instrument capable of imaging an area roughly 100 times larger than Webb can capture in a single observation while maintaining Hubble-like image quality. Rather than examining one remarkable galaxy at a time, Roman will rapidly survey immense regions of the sky, creating vast cosmic maps that reveal how billions of galaxies are distributed across space and time. Webb functions like a powerful microscope, uncovering extraordinary detail within carefully selected targets. Roman is a survey observatory, capable of revealing the large-scale patterns that govern the entire universe. These two telescopes were never intended to compete. Instead, they complement one another, providing astronomers with both the close-up view and the panoramic perspective needed to answer some of the greatest questions in modern cosmology. The importance of Roman becomes clear when we consider one extraordinary fact. Everything we can directly observe, every star, planet, galaxy, nebula and even every atom making up Earth and ourselves accounts for only about 5% of the total contents of the universe. The remaining 95% consists of dark matter and dark energy, mysterious components that cannot be seen directly but whose gravitational and cosmological effects dominate the evolution of the cosmos. Dark matter acts as invisible scaffolding, providing the additional gravity needed to hold galaxies and galaxy clusters together. Dark energy appears to drive the accelerated expansion of the universe, causing galaxies on the largest scales to move farther apart over billions of years. Despite decades of research, scientists still do not know the true nature of either phenomenon. Roman has been specifically engineered to investigate these mysteries through one of the most powerful tools in modern astrophysics: weak gravitational lensing. According to Einstein's general theory of relativity, massive objects bend spacetime, causing light from distant galaxies to become subtly distorted as it passes through regions rich in matter. By measuring these tiny distortions across an unprecedented sample of nearly 2 billion galaxies, Roman will construct the most detailed three-dimensional maps of dark matter ever created. At the same time, it will observe thousands of Type Ia supernovae and analyze large-scale galaxy clustering, allowing astronomers to trace how the expansion of the universe has changed over nearly 10 billion years. These observations will provide the most stringent tests yet of whether dark energy behaves like Einstein's cosmological constant or whether entirely new physics may be required to explain the accelerating universe. Roman's scientific reach extends far beyond cosmology. During one of its major observing campaigns, the telescope will continuously monitor approximately 100 million stars near the center of the Milky Way, searching for gravitational microlensing events. These occur when a foreground star briefly magnifies the light from a more distant star as gravity bends the passing light. If the foreground star hosts planets, those planets create additional signatures within the light curve, allowing astronomers to detect worlds that are often invisible to other techniques such as the transit method used by Kepler and TESS. Because microlensing is particularly sensitive to planets orbiting far from their stars, Roman is expected to discover thousands of new exoplanets, including many similar in orbital distance to Jupiter, Saturn and even smaller icy worlds. It may also detect free-floating rogue planets wandering through interstellar space without any parent star at all. Beyond planned investigations, Roman will repeatedly image enormous regions of the sky, creating an unprecedented time domain survey capable of discovering supernovae, variable stars, active galactic nuclei, gravitational lenses and many entirely unexpected phenomena. Astronomy has repeatedly shown that the greatest discoveries often emerge from observations no one originally planned to make. Hubble revealed the accelerating expansion of the universe through distant supernovae. Webb has already uncovered surprisingly massive galaxies existing far earlier than expected. Roman is almost certain to uncover entirely new classes of objects and behaviors simply because it will observe the universe on a scale no previous space telescope has achieved. Perhaps the most exciting aspect of Roman is not what it will discover independently, but how it will transform the entire astronomical community. Instead of working in isolation, Roman will operate alongside Webb, Hubble, the Vera C. Rubin Observatory and numerous ground-based facilities around the world. Roman will identify unusual galaxies, rare gravitational lenses, distant supernovae and unexpected cosmic structures across vast areas of the sky, while Webb will perform detailed follow-up observations capable of analyzing their composition, structure and physical processes with remarkable precision. Together they create an observational system far more powerful than either telescope could achieve alone. One rapidly maps the universe, while the other investigates its most intriguing discoveries in extraordinary detail. This partnership represents a major shift in how astronomy will be conducted throughout the coming decades. Rather than studying isolated objects one by one, scientists will analyze the universe as a connected cosmic network, measuring how galaxies evolve, how dark matter shapes enormous structures and how dark energy influences the expansion of space itself. The Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope is therefore not simply another observatory added to NASA's fleet. It is the beginning of a new era of precision cosmology, one in which humanity may finally move beyond indirect evidence and begin measuring the invisible forces that govern almost everything in existence. As Roman surveys billions of galaxies and millions of stars, it may answer some of the oldest questions in science while revealing entirely new mysteries that no one has yet imagined, proving once again that every major advance in astronomy expands not only our knowledge but also our sense of wonder about the universe.